Scott, we're talking about
Yep.
a market where people are looking for the next big thing, and it was definitely tech. I'm not saying it isn't anymore, but we're certainly seeing a breather when it comes to the NASDAQ and a lot of the names which have scaled up so quickly in price. What are you seeing as far as flows are concerned on a day like this, where we also last week saw 3 days of sell-offs for the S&P and the NASDAQ?
Yeah, you're right, Liz. And in fact, last Friday was the biggest single day of outflows from the triple Qs since October of 2008, $60 billion.
Right.
dollars. So massive, massive amount. So the question becomes, are investors and traders, now that they have some of this cash on the sidelines, are they ready to put it to use when they get to when the market gets to a certain level? When the S&P when it gets down to the 200 day or the NASDAQ gets down to the 200 day, if they do, when that determination, when they're forced with a decision, when it's right there in front of them, are they going to put it to use? Personally, I think they should. We may have seen a little bit of that today. We may have seen a little bit of gobbling up today when we got towards that bottom. In fact, the S&P bounced twice off of the levels that we saw from the lows or the levels
True.
back on July 29. We saw a bounce twice there. But, as you guys were just talking about here, I think the Fed coming out and saying we are just not doing anything for, the better part of 3 years, it makes some people
Right,
complacent,
right.
but it makes other people's really concerned that the economy is in a lot worse shape than people think.